If you are currently trying to access the Taylor Swift website but having an error that says 503 backend fetch failed, then here in this post we will tell you what this error means and what you can do to deal with this error. If you are getting the 503 backend fetch failed error while accessing the Taylor Swift website, then this is a server-side problem. According to Logics, this error means that there was a problem when the web server attempted to retrieve the data you requested. This can be a malfunctioning server, an unexpectedly poor connection, or problems with the website's underlying. This kind of issue usually happens when, for reasons, there is server overload which eventually crashes the servers, leading to such problems. As this is a server-side problem, there is nothing you can do on your end to resolve the problem. All you can do is wait till the developers resolve the issue from their end. Meanwhile, you should make sure that your internet is working without any issues, and your browser is up to date. In this video we've learned quite a bit about the 503 backend fetch failed error. To quickly recap, this error is a server-side problem, often a result of server overload or crashing. Unfortunately, as users, there's not much we can do on our end to resolve it. We need to wait for the developers or the server administrators to fix the issue. So, the next time you encounter this error, just remember, it's not your fault, and all you can do is wait with patience until the problem is rectified from the server's end. In the meantime, do ensure that your internet connection is stable and your browser is up to date. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.